Tired of cluttered countertops and overflowing drawers? Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to smart, space-saving solutions. In this video, we're diving into 10 genius kitchen gadget hacks that will transform your cooking space into a sleek, organized haven. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing tips. I am showing you a metal top organizer made of 3 layers for your kitchen counter, which after placing on your kitchen counter, you can store many pots, cookers and many other things in it. This saves space on your counter very well, and your kitchen looks very good. Sink over dish rack here. This rack is very useful for you. You can store all the kitchen utensils on your sink itself so that your kitchen is completely spacious. It looks completely clean and neat. All the utensils are available in front of you. Whenever you cook, you can take them out immediately from it, and this is an egg holder. In this, you have been given the option of 3 layers and guys. In this you can store a lot of your things in your fridge. Apart from 3, if you want, you can also order 2 layers or a single piece, because this is a very unique product. I am showing you the rotating kitchen trolley here, which is made in 5 layers and guys. In this you can store a lot of your vegetables, cocoa, many things for your kitchen, and this is great. Cupboard plastic storage box made of 5 layers in which you can store all your things like food items, clothes, shoes, slippers, even books, etc. Or you can store children's things in all these layers. Apart from this, I am showing you this wall mount dispenser of 6 grades here. It is counter mounted as well as wall mounted. You can place it on the wall as well as on the counter. 6 grades are given in which you can fill different types of dal and rice and keep it in it. A dish rack in which you can keep your bowls and plates line to line. And this keeps your space saving very good, and the dish also looks very good. In this, if you want white color apart from black color, then you will also get white color from Amazon online app. After this, an egg holder for fridge. This holder will be very useful for you to keep eggs etc. in the fridge. Your eggs will not break in this. If you take one out from the front, then it automatically comes forward from the back. Walmart spice holder, which is very good for your kitchen. If you use spices in the kitchen, then you can stick these in your kitchen. These have magic stickers. You can put this on your kitchen counter so that when you cook, you can easily find all the spices and salt etc. in front of you. And this is a foldable storage basket which is made of metal. This guy also has wheels. You can remove it easily at the time of cleaning. So you can store a lot of vegetables in different layers. You can store different vegetables and fruits in each layer, and you can rotate it to any side at any time. Because whatever vegetables you want to take out, you can easily take them out by rotating it. This is the storage door. This door has space to store a lot of things, and it is made of plastic in which you can store a lot of your food items, drinks, kitchen utensils and clothes etc. And it has wheels, which you can easily move and clean. And this rotating vegetable trolley. This trolley is of 5 layers and has wheels also attached to it. You will get its material. The box is made of metal. In these 5 layers, you can store different types of fruits at one place so that whenever you cook, you can find your vegetables neatly arranged in a trolley in one corner.